explore sa mga night market dito sa Cebu City. Tayo na at sabay-sabay nating i-experience ang shopping, food, and entertainment. And we are here at Colon Street, the oldest street in the Philippines. Ang ating night market adventure ay magsisimula po dito sa Colon's Night Market. It will feature 700 stalls offering various goods, food, and services. Dito naman po sa Puso Village ay mga food stall. Different variety of foods na pwede po nating mapagpipilian. Village. Construction is going on. And according to our sources, Cebu City government is pushing for the opening of Puso Village before the